Required accessories for installation. First step, mount winch rear course beam angle brace. Note, ensure that the whole bolts are securely mounted. The second step, install the winch body. Note, adjust the winch body to the horizontal direction. Fix the winch until the main body is installed. The third step, install the winch bumper in guide roller assembly. After the wire rope hook passes through the guide opening, install the guide roller assembly firmly. Install the screws in the corresponding holes. Step 4, mount the winch drive shaft. Step 5, install the skidder unhooking assembly. After installation, hang up the wire rope hook. Winch maintenance. Regularly check the tightness of the bolts on the winch, the amount of lubricant. Adjust the axial clearance of the worm and drum as well as the meshing of the worm wheel and worm gear. Winch drive shaft universal joints and sliding fork should be greased regularly.